Hello everyone, this is Lulu, and today we are diving into a classic comfort food, chicken noodle soup. We are talking perfectly cooked al dente noodles, bright crunchy vegetables, and a super flavorful broth, all made in just one pot in 30 minutes. So let's get started. The secret to truly flavorful chicken and a rich broth is in this first step, searing the meat. I have lightly marinated the chicken with salt and pepper, olive oil for at least 20 minutes. You can even do this overnight. Just make sure they come back to room temperature before heating the pan. So over medium heat, we're going to lightly sear them just until they develop a beautiful golden crust. This not only seals in the flavor, but also cooks off a little moisture, making the final chicken that much more delicious and giving our broth incredible depth of flavor. I've also tossed in a few leftover chicken bones. They're just flavor boosters for the broth. While the chicken is searing, let's prep our vegetables. I am doing a rough chop on some onions. I like a mix of red and white for a hint of sweetness, but use whatever you have. We need about 10 cloves of garlic. Don't be shy, plus 1 carrot and some celery. Remember, the quantity of vegetables is totally up to you. If you love celery, use more. This dish is so forgiving. You can adjust the vegetables without altering the final flavor. That is another reason I love this recipe. It's an essentially healthy, delicious, one-pot comfort meal. The last 2 pieces of chicken are developing the perfect brown crust. They are almost done searing here. Once chicken is beautifully seared, we will cut it into bite-sized pieces. We will save those bones, which are going to add so much more flavor to the final soup. Let's use the same pot. We want all those amazing brown bites and the chicken flavor. So over medium heat, we'll saute our garlic and onions. As they cook, the moisture releases and helps scrape up and dissolve all those flavorful bites from the chicken, forming the foundation of our broth. Once the bottom of the pot is clean, then add 2 bay leaves and stir well. Add carrots and the celery. Give a good stir. Add salt and pepper to taste. Then return the seared chicken to the pot and mix well together. Now the liquid. I'm using 24 ounces of chicken broth and about 2 cups of water. I love a soup-heavy noodle ratio, so adjust the liquid based on how many noodles you plan to use. I only use about 1.5 cups of egg noodles because I prefer much more broth, chicken, and vegetables. Finally, add your favorite herbs. Mine is always rosemary and thyme. I use 3 to 4 strands of fresh rosemary and 4 to 5 strands of thyme. Gently push them down into the liquid to help release their earthy umami. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes over medium heat. After about 18 minutes, you can see how much the vegetables have softened and the flavors have married beautifully. Take out the herb strings. They've done their job beautifully. Add in 1.5 cups of egg noodles. Give it a good stir. then cover the lid. And here's my final trick. I'm using a cast iron pot, which retains heat wonderfully. So I'm going to turn off the stove completely and let the residual heat finish cooking the noodles to the perfect al dente bite. If you're not using cast iron, just cook for an extra 3 to 5 minutes or follow the package instructions for that ideal texture. And just like that, after resting for about 5 minutes, it's perfectly done. Just look at that beautiful, inviting color. The smell of rosemary and thyme is so comforting and relaxing. This is truly a dish I crave. It's so simple, yet so delicious. With the perfect balance of protein and healthy vegetables, it is my absolute go-to, especially on a cold day. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching.